All right, good afternoon, everybody. It is yours truly, Mr. Sunshine, coming to you live right here, right now, Oceanside, here in Palm Beach, Florida, where it's all going down. I'm telling you what, take a look at this. Beautiful ocean, boats out there, big motor yacht right there. You can see the yacht out in the distance in there. And boy, let me tell you, it's really cooking today. It's really cooking. Let me see what I have on.